Hello, my dear student. Welcome back. Today we have a topic. The topic name is active and passive. Okay. In this topic, we learn about that what is the means of active, what is the means of passive, and how can we change the active voice into the passive voice. So let's start the video and know more thing about the active and passive. You can see here some of the module of active and passive form. Okay, first you know introduction, active and passive form, change the passive voice, and verb with the object, prepositional verb, auxiliary verb, and other parts of the voices. Okay, first you know what is the means of active and passive voice. So let's see here. We are playing. Certain people, it is a active voice, and people are entertained by us, it is a passive voice. So you can see here what is the means of active voice. A verb is said to be in a active voice when the subject is the doer of the action. It means here the subject working are active in a sentence, then it will be the active voice. Your all part of the tense. Okay, there are 12 parts of the tense. All these parts are parts of the tense will be the active voice. Okay, next, what we know what is the means of the passive voice. So passive voice, a verb is said to be in a passive voice when the subject is the receiver of the action. Okay, it means subject not treat like a subject, it's treat like a receiver in a sentence, then it will be the passive voice. Okay, so let's start and know more thing about this. So here is the active voice. The dog chased the cats. The form of passive voice. The cats were chased by the dog. Okay, so you can see here. This is the part, and this is the subject part, and here is the verb part, and here is the object part. So when we have an active voice and the active voice has its object, okay, every objective parts will convert into the passive form. Okay, so this is the subject, and here the verb, and here the object. And when we convert it into the passive form, then subject used in place of the object, used in place of subject, and subject used in place of object, and the verb, our verb will change into the third form. Okay, it is the object, and here the verb third form, and here is the subject. Okay, it is a subject. So easily we can understood that our sentence structure is subject, verb, and object. Okay, subject, verb, and object. It is a sentence structure. But when we convert into the passive voice, the structure will change in a opposite form. Like an object used in a place of subject, verb used in proper way, and the subject change or replaced in place of object. Okay, it is a sentence structure of passive voice. It's clear? So easily you understood that in place of object, subject we can use object, and in place of object we can use subject. Okay, keep in your mind. Next, we focus on the doer of the action when we use the active voice, and the receipt of the action or the object becomes the center of attention in the passive form. Okay, so here is the next example. The dog chased the cats, and the cats were chased by the dog. In this sentence, this is the object. Okay, and we can use action or receive. Subject, it is a action. Here this dog work as a action form, but here the dog not work in a action form. It is a action that received by the dog. Okay, so let's analyze some of the sentences how it will convert into the passive voice. The dog chased the cats. Okay, it is a subject part, it is a verb part, and it is a object part. And when we convert it into the passive form, then it will be the object will be the subject, verb will use in the third form, and the subject used in a as a object. It's clear? It is a simple way to understood how to convert the active voice into the passive voice. Here the dog is receiver, and here the dog word is a doer. Okay, it is a word that perform as a action in the first sentence, but in the second sentence it is not perform as a action, it is a received. Okay, so rule number 1 for changing of the active voice and to the passive voice. Okay, which is the rules? So let's know. The object in the active voice become the subject in the passive voice, and the subject in the active voice become the object of the passive voice. It is the first rule. Second rule is, you can see an example. I am already tell it in a beginning of the sentence. Okay. Rule number 2: if the subject or the object is as a pronoun, then we can change it like this. Okay, it is a very important. It is a part of the pronoun. Which kind of the pronoun? It is a personal pronoun. When you learn all the subjective and objective part of the pronoun, then you can change or convert it easily. Okay, like I, it is a subjective part. 1 minute. It is a subjective part. It is a subjective part, and it is a objective part of the noun. Okay, subjective part I will convert into the passive voice me, and we, us, you, he, and will be him, and she, her, it, and they will be them. Okay, so learn all these parts of subjective and objective parts. Okay, and you can see here, if the subject or the object in a pronoun, okay, like this, okay, it's changing in this manner. How can it change in a active voice? C is a pronoun word. It is a pronoun word, and when we convert into the passive voice, this pronoun change. It is a subjective form. When it is changed into the objective form, then she will be her. So we use in place of she. We cannot use here she. Okay, it is a wrong. We can use here her. Why? Because her word is a objective form. So whenever we change pronoun, any pronoun, then it will convert into the passive form as a objective form. Okay. Next, I hope you all understood it. It is a rule number 2, how to change the pronoun into the passive form. Okay. Next, rule number 3, change of the verb tense from active to passive. Whenever we convert the active voice to passive voice, then we also know about the tense, and then try to convert into the passive form in according to the rule of passive. Okay, you can see here some of the tense that we can convert into the passive voice. In which condition it will be changed? You can see first is the simple sentence. When we use the simple sentence, as you know about that, what is the identification of simple tense, simple present tense. You can use the word SRES with the verb first form. Okay, in the simple present tense. But when you change this simple sentence into the passive form, then we can use EMR according to the object. Okay, according to the object, and then use the past participle. Past participle means verb third form. Okay, and if your sentence is simple past tense, you all know about that. In the simple past tense, we can use the verb second form. Okay, it is a second form, and when we convert into the passive voice, the helping verb used according to the object of the active voice. Okay, and then use verb third form. if your sentence or the activize in a simple future tense, it means if there are use will or shall plus verb first form, okay, and we convert into the passive I, then we have use here will or shall, and after that will or shall we also use be, okay, and then past means verb third form. It is the changing of the tense during the active to passive voice, okay. How it will work, we can see here some of the example that change active to passive voice. Okay, first you can see here simple present tense active voice is I watch movies every week, okay, I watch movie every week, and in this sentence you can see that there is a subject I, so here is not used as or es. If your subject is he, she, it, then you can easily use here as or es, okay. But when it is a simple present tense and we identify it is a simple present tense, then we should change into the according to the rule of passive voice, okay. First we pick up the object. The object of the sentence is a movies. Movies is a object and it replaced in the place of subject, and movie is a not singular number, it is a plural number, and according to the rule we can use is and are plus verb third form in a passive form. So here the according to the rule we can use is and are. So here the subject this object convert into the subject, and this subject already as a plural form, okay, plural form. So we can use here are, okay, and after that verb third form watch will be watched, and use the by, and then I will be me, and rest of the word use in the last. So we can say that the passive voice sentence structure is object plus helping verb plus main verb with the third form plus by plus our subject, okay. It is a sentence structure of passive voice in any tense we can if you want to convert, okay. So it is a simple present tense. I hope you all understood that how it change into the active to passive voice, okay. Next is our simple past tense, okay. Simple past tense, you can see watched is the second form of the verb, okay, and it will tell us about that it is a simple past tense. And when we convert into the passive voice, first you pick up the object. Which is the object? Here object is a movie and it is a singular number, so we can use first in the sentence a movie, and after the use this we can identify it is a singular or plural. If it is a singular then use was, and if it is a plural then use were, okay. Why? Because it is a simple past tense, okay. So a movie was and watched change into the verb third form. So watched use the by agent, and then I will be me, and study use here it is the converting of the simple past tense active to passive form. I hope you all understood it. Next, simple future tense, okay. I will watch a movie tomorrow. You can see here will watch tell us about the tense of the sentence. It is a simple future tense, okay. When we convert it into the passive form, then will or shall will change into the will be or shall be, okay. So here the object a movie, use here a movie, and according to the subject we can use the helping verb will be or shall be. So here the movie we can use here will be, and the verb will convert into the third form. It will be was will be watched, and use the by agent, and then use I. In a objective form, me, and rest of the word note down. I hope you all understood. It is a process to convert active voice to passive voice. Okay, I hope you all understood it, and in the next video we learn about that how to change active voice into the passive voice in the different tense, like continuous, perfect and perfect continuous, and which is the tense that is not convertible in a active to passive voice. Okay, I hope. Okay, next you do your homework from your chapter wise, chapter number 19. Okay, thank you.